What if the very way you're handling your most private moments could be silently sabotaging your sexual health? It's a question few dare to ask, but it's time for the truth. Hi, I'm Dr. Kunal Mehra, a urologist with 30 years of experience. And today, I'm going to reveal the 3 most common masturbation mistakes that can lead to erectile dysfunction and premature ejaculation, and more importantly, how to fix them. Many men think rushing to climax is just a natural part of the experience. But this fast lane habit trains your body and brain to react too quickly. Over time, it fuels anxiety and frustration, turning intimacy into a struggle. Imagine rewiring your nervous system to slow down, to ride the wave of pleasure without panic. That's where real control begins. Next, there's the hidden danger of relying too much on pornography. While it might seem harmless, this constant overstimulation can dull your natural response to real-life intimacy, making it harder to connect with your partner. But there's hope. By stepping away from screens and embracing your imagination or other sensory experiences, you can reignite your genuine desire and sensitivity. Finally, many men fall into the trap of the death grip, a tight, repetitive hold that desensitizes your penis, making normal touch feel insufficient. The solution: variety. Changing your technique pressure and adding lubricants can retrain your body to respond, fully restoring vitality. These aren't just tips, they're a roadmap to reclaiming confidence and intimacy. Let's talk about how to begin implementing healthy masturbation habits that can transform your sexual health and restore your confidence. The key is to take it slow, be mindful, and give your body the chance to relearn what true pleasure feels like. First, ditch the rush. Instead of racing to the finish line, set aside at least 10 minutes for a relaxed, unrushed session. Use this time to explore your body's sensations fully. Pay attention to the buildup, the ebb and flow of pleasure. Practice edging, which means bringing yourself close to climax, then pulling back to delay ejaculation. This trains your nervous system to respond more slowly and builds your stamina over time. Next, consider a digital detox from pornography. Start small, maybe just one screen-free session a week. Use your imagination, recall positive past experiences, or try sensual audio content that stimulates your mind without overwhelming it visually. This helps your brain reconnect to natural arousal cues and can gradually restore your sensitivity. Now, address the death grip habit by varying your technique. Switch hands, adjust your grip pressure. Try different positions, or add lubricants, or even condoms to simulate a variety of sensations closer to real-life intimacy. This variety retrains your body to respond to softer, more natural touch, improving erection quality and control. Remember, change doesn't happen overnight. Start with small, manageable steps and be patient with yourself. These practices aren't just about improving sexual performance. They're about reclaiming a fulfilling, confident connection with your own body and your partner. If you're ready to begin this journey, commit to consistency. Your nervous system and your body can adapt and heal, but it takes time and gentle persistence. You have the power to change your sexual health story, one mindful habit at a time. Changing long-held habits isn't easy, especially when it comes to something as personal as masturbation. Many men face common challenges when trying to implement healthier practices, but the good news is these obstacles can be overcome with patience and the right strategies. One of the biggest challenges is breaking free from the rush. If you've been conditioned to climax, quickly slowing down feels unnatural at first. You might find yourself anxious or frustrated when trying to extend the experience. The key here is to be gentle with yourself. Start by simply observing your sensations without any pressure to finish. Focus on breathing deeply and allowing your body to relax. Remember, this is retraining your nervous system, and that takes time. Celebrate small victories, like lasting a bit longer or feeling more in control, and know that persistence pays off. Another hurdle is the temptation to rely on pornography. Many men use it as a shortcut to arousal, but it can desensitize your brain, making real-life intimacy more challenging. If you want to reduce or quit, don't expect an overnight fix. Try substituting one session a week with non-visual stimulation, like erotic stories or audio, and gradually increase these sessions. Be mindful of triggers, stress, boredom, or loneliness that push you toward porn, and develop healthy distractions or routines to replace that habit. The third challenge is overcoming the death grip. Changing your technique might feel awkward or uncomfortable at first. You may miss the familiar pressure or feel unsure how to stimulate yourself differently. Experiment with patience and curiosity. Use lubricants or change hand positions, and explore new sensations without rushing. This exploration is essential to retrain your body's response and improve sensitivity. Over time, you'll likely notice more natural reactions during intimacy. Remember, these challenges aren't signs of failure, they're part of the process. With consistency support and a willingness to adapt, you can rebuild your sexual health and confidence. Don't hesitate to reach out to healthcare professionals or support groups if you need guidance. Maintaining progress and building confidence on your journey to healthier masturbation habits is just as important as starting those changes. It's about creating a sustainable routine that supports your sexual health and helps you feel more connected to your body and your pleasure. First, remember that consistency is key. Small, regular practices, whether it's slowing down your pace, cutting back on pornography, or varying your technique, compound over time. Don't get discouraged by occasional setbacks or days when old habits creep back in. Every effort counts, and even a small step forward is progress. Treat yourself with patience and kindness, understanding that real change takes time. Next, celebrate your victories, no matter how minor they seem. Each moment you feel more in control, each time you enjoy intimacy without anxiety, is proof you're moving in the right direction. Keep a mental note of these wins. Reflecting on them can boost your motivation and remind you why you started this journey in the first place. Building confidence also means addressing the mental and emotional side of your sexual health. Performance anxiety often feeds old habits, so practicing mindfulness or relaxation techniques can help calm your mind and body. Deep breathing meditation, or even gentle physical activity, can reduce stress and improve your focus during intimate moments. If you find anxiety overwhelming, don't hesitate to seek professional support. Therapists or counselors can provide tools tailored to your needs. Another helpful tip is to communicate openly with your partner if you have one. Sharing your experiences, fears, and progress can deepen your connection and reduce pressure. A supportive partner can be a powerful ally, helping you explore new habits and enjoy intimacy without judgment. Finally, keep educating yourself. Stay curious about your body and sexual health. Resources, experts, and communities focused on men's wellness can offer ongoing encouragement and advice to keep you inspired. Remember, reclaiming your sexual confidence is a journey, not a destination. With steady commitment and self-compassion, you can enjoy a fulfilling, vibrant, intimate life for years to come. Navigating changes in your sexual health can feel overwhelming, but remember, expert advice is always within reach, and knowing when to seek help is a sign of strength not weakness. Whether you're adjusting your masturbation habits or facing challenges like erectile dysfunction or premature ejaculation, professional guidance can provide clarity, support, and effective solutions. First, if you notice persistent difficulties such as trouble maintaining an erection pain during intimacy or ongoing performance anxiety, it's important to consult a healthcare provider. These symptoms could stem from physical issues, psychological factors, or a combination of both. A urologist or men's health specialist can perform thorough evaluations, run necessary tests, and tailor treatments specifically for your needs. Early intervention often means simpler, more successful outcomes. Don't hesitate to discuss your concerns openly during appointments. Doctors are trained to listen without judgment and provide advice that respects your comfort and privacy. They can also help differentiate between normal age-related changes and treatable conditions. If emotional or psychological challenges are involved, such as anxiety or depression, therapists specializing in sexual health or counseling can offer powerful tools to rebuild confidence and reduce stress. Additionally, experts can guide you on safe and effective ways to adjust your masturbation habits. They can suggest behavioral techniques, recommend useful resources, or prescribe therapies that support gradual improvement. Remember, what works for one person may not suit another, so personalized advice is invaluable. Beyond professional help, staying informed through reputable sources empowers you to make sound decisions. Avoid myths or quick fixes promoted without scientific backing. Instead, focus on building a balanced lifestyle that includes healthy habits, open communication, and ongoing self-care. Above all, reaching out for help is an act of self-respect and courage. It's about taking control of your well-being and embracing a future of confidence and vitality. You don't have to face these challenges alone. Support is available to guide you every step of the way. You've taken an important step today by learning how small, mindful changes to your masturbation habits can dramatically improve your sexual health and overall confidence. Remember, this journey is not about perfection or overnight transformations. It's about progress, patience, and self-compassion. Every positive action you take builds momentum and brings you closer to the vibrant, fulfilling, intimate life you deserve. It's normal to face challenges along the way, and sometimes setbacks may occur. That's okay. What matters most is your commitment to keep going, to stay curious, and to be gentle with yourself through the process. Change is a marathon, not a sprint. And with each mindful moment, you're rewiring your body and mind for better responses and renewed vitality. Know that you are not alone in this journey. Many men share these struggles and fears, but by choosing to address them openly, you're breaking the silence and creating a path for healing and growth. Whether it's adjusting your pace, exploring new ways to connect with your body, or seeking support when needed, every step forward is a victory. I encourage you to celebrate these wins, no matter how small they may seem. Embrace your progress with confidence, and remember that your sexual health is a vital part of your overall well-being. By nurturing it, you're honoring yourself and the relationships that matter most in your life. If you found this guidance helpful, please share it with someone who might benefit, whether a friend, a partner, or a loved one. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more honest, science-backed insights that empower men over 60 to thrive in every aspect of life. Your story matters, your health matters, and you have the strength to shape your future one positive choice at a time. Thank you for trusting me to be part of your journey. Take care, stay hopeful, and I'll see you in the next video. If you found these insights helpful, Remember, real change starts with small, consistent steps. Your sexual health and confidence can improve when you approach it with patience and intention. Whether it's slowing down, exploring new ways to connect with your body, or taking breaks from habits that no longer serve you, each choice brings you closer to a healthier, more fulfilling life. I'd love to hear from you. What habit or tip resonated most with you today? Have you experienced challenges or victories in this area you want to share? Drop a comment below and join the conversation. Your story might be exactly what someone else needs to hear right now. Don't forget to hit the like button if this content brought you value, and subscribe to the channel for more honest, practical advice tailored for men over 60. Tap the notification bell so you never miss a video that helps you take control of your health and live with confidence. Together, we're creating a supportive community where men can feel empowered to break old patterns and embrace new habits that improve their well-being. Your journey matters, and every step forward is worth celebrating. Thank you for being here, for caring about your health, and for taking charge. Keep moving forward. You deserve to live fully and confidently. See you in the next video.